Hello everybody, and we're back with part 2. It's both of our storms didn't really turn up as well, but still raining. And so yeah, pretty big storm. We'll get back in the house and I guess just record out the back of the yard. There's some more rain currents by the mountain, but we can never get to that. And someone's mad about his car.
Hello, muddy.
Whatever. It's your fault for getting a white car. Come on. Should have got a black car or a blue or whatever. Yeah, oh God. Can I go in
Yeah.
Oh great, he's washing the car. Ah! Hold on, let me get in the backyard. Let me get in the backyard. I can't open the door. Oh no, okay, now I can. Now I can't. Okay, now I can't. Oh, it's a pulley, okay. And the storm is not over yet. It is not over yet. I just heard thunder. Oh great. This never ends. It never gives up. So yeah, we'll go over here and record a bit more. Some more rain in this area. Some more lattice there. Some more right there. That's the updraft over there, because I already know half of meteorology, because I watched Storm Chaser. It's a pretty epic show. I watch it a lot, actually. So, not too bad right now. I'll be back with part 3 when it does get bad and thundery and epic. So, bye, guys.